everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here. Today I'm going to be showing you my #1 bestseller. It is still summer, so these did sell very well at my last craft fair. However, I can't say whether or not they will be my #1 bestseller for the entire year. Maybe in fall, but I'm going to keep making them because I love it. So what I'm going to be doing today is purposely making paint skins to look like beach pours. I got this idea after seeing my friend Melissa do very well at craft fairs with her poured paint, and then watching Tammy Anderson's wonderful video about how to make these paint skins and what to do with them. I will put the link down below for Tammy's channel and which videos that I just absolutely loved. My Olga SOBY'S pouring medium recipe, I cannot tell you. I do have an affiliate link for her online class if you'd like to take it. It does help me out if you take it through my link. I have a coupon code also that helps you save 10%. So with all of that being said, I am going to show you what they look like. I really love this water one. I actually did use Australian Floetrol to make the cells for this one. And then these two are also my personal favorites. So these three I've kept for myself. I really loved how this ended up looking like a heart on that one a little bit with the water. So I will be showing you the kits and where I bought these from. So my colors are a mishmash of colors. I mostly used this sky blue by Amsterdam. This pearl yellow I mixed into Pebio's iridescent gold right here because I just wanted it to be a little bit of a lighter gold. And then I have this turquoise blue by Amsterdam that I mixed together with the sky blue for this darker color right here. And then this one is ultramarine blue mixed with a little bit of this blue gold iridescent by Pouring Masters. This will be the first time that I'm trying this in Olga's recipe, so we'll see what happens. I will be swiping it, and I will also be using my new Playmaker mini blow dryer. How cute is this? So this is a mini blower. You can get it on Amazon, but you can also get this at Tracy Reed's Etsy page. I have one of her 3D printed nozzles on it. I also have a skinny one too. I'll show you the skinny one. Here is the skinny one. I don't know if you can see that. This one works really well for the waves, just creating a little bit of movement in the water. I have also used a straw and a couple of different swiping tools. So it's whatever your preferences and however you want to create the look. Wish me luck on how much of a mess I'm going to be making with this. It should be controlled though. Now before I get started, I want to show that I do have titanium white mixed up for my waves, but I also have Amsterdam's pearl blue in there too. So I might mix these two together to make the waves.
To pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need them, need that, looking at the things we have. Stay ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked.
Okay, I know it looks kind of funny because it's striped, but the reason it's striped is because I only use a little bit of the beach, so I can piggyback all of the designs and just have the beach in the middle, and I will be able to get pendants on both sides. This one right here is my favorite. That's gonna look really cool. I think this area is gonna look cool too. There's no white right here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait till it dries and I'm gonna paint in the white waves. For me, that's the easiest way to do it. Some of these areas are gonna be really, really cool. If I don't get the cells, that's fine. It doesn't have, not everybody, you know, will want that frothy look. So we will see what this looks like when it dries. For me, it's gonna be about a day and a half. For you guys, just a few seconds. So, see in a little bit. As you can see, they are dry. I'm really excited how they came out. There's a couple of pinholes in a couple places I'm not too worried about. I did want to show you that blue gold iridescent by Pouring Masters. There's a couple little streaks of it in here, and I think that looks really cool. You could actually do your C's and your water all in metallic paints if you wanted to. If you wanted your pendants to be metallic, you could do that. Right now I just did, you know, the sand, the gold. That's what's been working for me, and that's what's been selling, so I'm pretty happy with that. The beach right here and right here really doesn't have any water that goes over it. And there's another spot too, like right here. So I wanted to show you what I do for sometimes for those areas. Okay, this is all you have to do is you can use whatever you want. You can use white, you can use, I actually have an iridescent white that I really like too. I have the pearl white by Amsterdam, and then even this iridescent medium. I am just going to take a very skinny brush, This is a size 0. And I am just going to go along here and just make a little bit of a white line. It's okay if it's a little bit transparent because, you know, that's how the waves would be. And just make a little bit of a white line right here. Just to add a little bit more water by the ocean waves right here by the old sand. So, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. And when it dries, you can stick your glass right on there. And I will show you that part next. I have a bunch of different kinds. I have, majority of them are from Hobby Lobby. I do have a few that I got from Amazon. I bought square ones from Amazon and I bought these rectangle ones. Let's get to the fun part. All right, here's what you are going to need next. You are going to need diamond glaze. I find this works the best. It dries perfectly clear. Just make sure you have no bubbles in it when you set your glass down. So let me find a spot that I like and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I like that spot. I choose to only have a little bit of the gold because for me it's about the water. So now all you do is you take your diamond glaze. My advice is don't shake this up too much because you will get air bubbles. I'm just going to put a little bit down. All right, now that just needs a good 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes to dry. So while we're waiting for that to dry, let me show you my other newer fun thing that I just started selling. I can do earrings now. I got this cute little sets here on Amazon. They're working out really great. So they're small. They're 12 millimeters, which I think is basically half of an inch, if that. And I can now pick areas that look like the sea too, so people can pick and choose if they want earrings to match their pendants. Okay, now I'm just going to get a popsicle stick and I'm going to let it dry like that. If you let it lay flat, it will be on a tilt because of the bezel sticking out in the back. So this is usually my go-to. Or a nickel works well, but I like to use popsicle sticks. There is the finished pieces. All I have to do now is use the alcohol prep pad when they're dry and clean them up a little bit. And they're ready to go. And like I said, the chain is up to you. The chain that comes with the Hobby Lobby kit is very cool. But it does, I had 2 of them break. Out of the 3 or 4 that I was wearing, 2 broke. So I'm not using them anymore and I'm getting a different packaging from Amazon. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you in the next project. Thank you very much for watching.